What's the meaning of Bloomsbury? Bloomsbury. Bloomsbury.
Bloomsbury. Bloomsbury. Bloomsbury is a district in central London known for its cultural and literary associations. It was named after William Blemont, a medieval landowner, and the area became fashionable in the early 20th century when it became the home of the Bloomsbury Group, a collective of influential writers, artists, and intellectuals, including Virginia Woolf and E.M. Forster. Today, Bloomsbury is still a hub for literature, with several publishing houses based in the area, as well as academic institutions such as University College London and the British Library. It is also home to many elegant garden squares and prestigious museums, including the British Museum and the Charles Dickens Museum.